Place Park, and this is a trail which is called Pine Oak Trail. Let's go. And do you know that we have to? There's like blue marks on trees. So that's what will tell us like to follow. And up there's a bridge.
That is a mark to follow your path.
There's a big bridge to go. Our mom's in front of us. She's just going to check if there's anything.
Yeah, go there.
So let's go. Hi guys, now we're climbing some kind of which is very tall. And like it might be like look at the down part. We're so up high. Like look at the down part. It's very high. Right now you will like see that it's like easy, but it's not. Whew. Oh, that's a blue mark over there. Yeah, blue mark. So we're on the right path. Just go from here and then there. Oh no! There's another one. Now we have to go from here to here. Look over there. Hi guys, this is if we get lost or if we lost and we can disconnect it and we can hear somebody that they can help us. Now let's go front and our goal. Oh, I see a blue mark. Where?
Oh, hey, this is road. Road is closed here.
Oh, yeah.
How to go there?
Yeah. And then there's water over there. But that's a bridge. And then you have to go from the
No, here is a blue mark, right? You are saying we need to follow this mark.
Yeah. Look, we have to go over there, and that's an arrow to go over there.
Okay, go.
Follow me.
So this blue mark you are talking? Yeah, there is an arrow. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we need to follow.
We have to go over there.
Oh, this is lakeside, like river.
Blue mark. Blue mark. Blue mark. Blue mark. Over there. Oh, it's way far away. Where are you? Okay, I see you. We're coming. Wait. Stop now. Wait, where's blue mark? Oh, it's right there. You see a blue mark? Yes. Follow me. Okay. Hey, wait. Go far. Go far.
What do you have, Shelby?
I have a walkie-talkie which can connect my brother and my sister.
Wow.
Okay.
Hey, wait. Ranch, wait. Oh, how much it was? Round trip, 2.2 miles, and one way, 1.1 miles. Oh, you did a great job, Sharvi, Divija, Rehansh. See here.
Hi. We finally found a water tap, like an old-style movie.
Wash your face.
What's your face? You're getting your scissors. So good. Get a napkin. Get a napkin.
And this is the road for car. So let's check it.
Hi guys, this is Pine Oak Shelter 1. It's very Minton restroom and it's so nice and clean inside. Okay, this is a scout camp, guys, and kids stay here for 15 days.
Wow, this is amazing.
Hi guys, now we're cooking corn at a grill
Grilled.
for food.
You can rotate
No, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
here. Okay, touch here. And just you can rotate. Okay. No, don't try, Rehansh. Okay.
You gotta check this.
Divija, how is this experience?
Good.
This is nice.
Yeah.
You are able to grill
Don't touch the grill, okay? It's hot, very hot.
Is this hot? If you like flip it, it will flip the thing off. It's not hot.